I go by Zamira, some by Zami, and only a handful by Zam.
Head away, your face against the tree.
I love doing camera work and see what surprise will appear to my shot.
As they come, as they come.
I am an observer through moving lenses. Some of my past works I've done really shaped me into who I am. I even figured out I like doing directing work through my very first short film assignment. Editing is where my love for filming blossoms most. I find beauty just by being behind the lens. You could notice people's excitement or their passion just by watching them.
And I couldn't help but fall in love again.
Someone who always stepped back to capture a memory. And then it grew into capturing shots and editing them together to show a piece of who I am.